Fashion is about emotion, making you feel sexy. So we cannot develop a product that protects the planet but compromise the look. I started Jeanologia 25 years ago. I come from a textile family. Denim jeans are the iconic garment. Everybody has a jeans in their wardrobe. To produce one jean, we contaminate 100 liters of water. 20% of the water that contaminates the river of the planet is coming from textile and apparel industry. But I decided to create the company to solve this problem. The first technology that we developed is laser. It's using the energy of a laser to distress the jeans, to reproduce the effect of the past of the time. Before, this was done with a lot of chemistry. The second technology, Ozone, we are using the air to produce the stonewash look. And with both technologies together, we reduce 80% of the water consumption. But our ambition was zero waste. So then the third one is nanobubbles. In 1 centimeter, you have 1 million bubbles, and these bubbles, like a cloud, are transporting chemistry into the garments. And with that, we reduce the amount of water from 100 liters to only 10 liters. So then we decide to create H2O, and that works like a kind of backpack. Take the water, clean the water, and put the water into the system again. So the combinations of 4 technologies allowed us to produce jeans with zero water, zero waste, and without contaminating the rivers of our planet. Today, 35% of the jeans that are produced in the world use our technologies. Levi's Strauss, Lee, Tommy Hilfiger, Calvin Klein, H&M, Dolce & Gabbana or DSL are using our technologies. During the 90s, all the production ran away to countries where labor was cheap, because these countries at that time didn't have regulations and everything was possible. You were able to produce destroying the planet. And I'm sure that in the next 5 years, 10–15% of the production is going to come back to Europe, is going to come back to the US, is going to come back to Japan, is going to come back near the consumer. In 2018, we create the first plant in the history of textiles in the desert of Nevada, in a place where water was not available, that don't use water and cannot contaminate water. It was unbelievable, the achievement of all our dreams. The main thing to make sure that designers are happy with the results. And I will say that it's not only happening, we are creating and providing tools to the designers to make their dreams a reality, but in a way that they do not contaminate our planet.